The safest countries for immigrants in 2025. In an ever-changing world, finding a safe and welcoming place to call home is a top priority for immigrants. Whether you're seeking better opportunities, fleeing conflict, or simply looking for a fresh start, safety, stability, and inclusivity matter most. In 2025, several nations stand out as the safest havens for immigrants offering strong economies, low crime rates, progressive policies, and vibrant multicultural communities. Let's explore the best destinations for immigrants this year. Number 1. What makes a country safe for immigrants? When immigrants search for a new home, safety is the top priority, but what does safety really mean? It's more than just low crime rates. True safety comes from a combination of political, economic, and social stability. Let's break it down. 1. Low crime and political stability. First and foremost, physical safety matters. Countries with low violent crime rates, trustworthy police forces, and minimal political turmoil provide security for families. Nations like Iceland and Japan have near-zero homicide rates, while others struggle with instability. Key indicators: low homicide and theft rates, UN crime statistics. Stable government, no coups, frequent unrest. Reliable law enforcement, police are effective, not corrupt. 2. Strong legal protections for immigrants. Laws matter. The safest countries have clear, fair immigration policies, whether for work visas, asylum, or family reunification. They also enforce anti-discrimination laws, protecting immigrants from workplace abuse or hate crimes. 3. Economic opportunities and fair wages. A country might be peaceful, but if there are no jobs, it's not truly safe for immigrants. The best destinations offer strong job markets, fair wages, and labor rights so you can build a future, not just survive. Key factors: low unemployment rates, especially in skilled sectors. Minimum wage laws, living wage, not poverty wages. Worker protections, paid leave, anti-exploitation laws. 4. Access to healthcare and education. Can your children go to good schools? Will you get healthcare if you're sick? The safest countries invest in public services, so immigrants don't go bankrupt from medical bills or struggle with poor education. Top performers: Sweden and Norway, free university for residents. Canada and UK, universal healthcare, including refugees. Australia, high-quality public schools. 5. Social acceptance and cultural integration. A country can have great laws, but if locals resent immigrants, daily life becomes hard. The safest nations promote diversity with policies like language classes, anti-hate speech laws, and community integration programs. Number 2. Top 10 safest countries for immigrants in 2025. 1. Canada. Canada remains number 1 for immigrants in 2025, thanks to its express entry system, universal healthcare, and strong anti-racism policies. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver are melting pots of cultures, offering job opportunities in tech, healthcare, and skilled trades. Key benefits: high refugee acceptance rates, free public healthcare, strong legal protections against discrimination. 2. New Zealand. New Zealand is a paradise for immigrants seeking peace and work-life balance. With low crime, a transparent immigration system, and a focus on skilled workers, it's ideal for families and professionals. Key benefits: no extreme political divisions, high quality of life, easy permanent residency for skilled workers. 3. Sweden. Sweden offers free education, generous parental leave, and a strong welfare system. Its commitment to gender equality and refugee integration makes it a top choice. Key benefits: free university education, strong labor rates, high English proficiency, easy adaptation. 4. Germany. Germany's booming economy needs skilled labor, especially in engineering, IT, and healthcare. With a clear path to citizenship and low violent crime, it's a top EU destination. Key benefits: fast-track visas for skilled workers, free low-cost education, strong anti-hate speech laws. 5. Norway. Norway's high standard of living, excellent public services, and emphasis on work-life balance attract professionals worldwide. Its immigration policies favor skilled workers and refugees. Key benefits: strong social safety net, high wages and worker protections, low corruption. Number 3. Emerging Safe Havens 2025 surprises. Some rising stars in 2025 include Portugal Affordable Living Golden Visa Program, Costa Rica Peaceful, Eco-Friendly, Easy Residency, UAE Dubai Abu Dhabi Tax-Free Income, Expat Friendly. 4. How to choose the right country for you. Now that you know the safest countries, how do you pick the right one for you? Let's go step by step. Step 1. Define your priorities. Ask yourself, are you fleeing danger? Refugee-friendly countries like Canada, Germany. Do you need a job fast? Skilled labor demand in Germany, in Norway? Is education for kids critical? Finland, Sweden have top schools. Do you hate cold weather? Australia, Portugal have warmer climates. Step 2. Research visa and residency options. Every country has different rules. Some offer work visas, Australia's skilled occupation list, student visas, Canada's post-graduation work permit, investor visas, Portugal's golden visa for real estate buyers, asylum, refugee status, Sweden's generous refugee policy. Step 3. Consider language and culture. Can you learn the language? While Sweden and the Netherlands have high English fluency, countries like Japan require Japanese for most jobs. Also, think about cultural fit. Does the society match your values? Pro tip: countries like New Zealand and Canada are more relaxed, while Switzerland and Japan value punctuality and formality. Step 4. Calculate cost of living. Some safe countries are expensive. For example, Norway is safe but has high taxes and $10 coffees. Portugal is affordable, with lower wages but great quality of life. Use tools like Numbeo to compare costs before deciding. Step 5. Test before committing. If possible, visit first. Many countries offer job-seeker visas. Germany's 6-month visa to hunt for work. Digital nomad visas, Spain, Costa Rica. Short-term study programs test life in France with a 3-month course. The world is vast and opportunities await. In 2025, these countries offer not just safety, but a chance to thrive. Where will your next chapter begin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our new videos.